Take a look inside this new Canaan palatial estate inspired by a Scottish castle. This brick and limestone country retreat is a wonderful example of architecture in the grand manner. Its brick and limestone facade and sprawling grounds invoke the features of a castle. While the home might not be a royal structure, it did have some notable residents and a room inspired by a real-life castle. Designed by New York architect William B. Tubby, the stately abode underwent a multi-million-dollar expansion in 2014 by renowned architect Danielle Malloy. The changes this new Canaan estate has seen over the years are nothing short of spectacular. Originally built as a Tudor-style home, the new owners decided it needed an Elizabethan-era vibe, which I'm totally in agreement with. The Dwart Castle in Scotland inspired this great room. Not only was the main residence improved and expanded upon, but a brand new 4-bedroom guest house was built along with a custom-designed 5,000 square foot wellness center, a custom pool with spa, and new terraces which transformed Orchard's estate into a true masterpiece. Today, the grand estate comprises 12 bedrooms, 12 full bathrooms, 4 half baths, and spans a whopping 25,000 square feet, sitting across 6.5 acres. With slate roof and copper dormers, the exterior sets an impressive stage for the luxury within. Off the grand foyer are main living rooms, banquet-style dining room, library, theater, informal living and family room, informal dining area, and a professional restaurant-style kitchen with an additional walk-in refrigerator. The main floor has numerous double glass doors to the multiple outdoor terraces and heated swimming pool. A masterpiece built as a legacy for a modern dynasty. Multiple large terraces around the property and a heated pool with automatic cover and controls. According to the managing broker, Danielle Malloy, the second family to purchase the home in the 70s was the mayor of Mexico City, billionaire Carlos Hank Gonzalez, who bought the house to raise his 2 kids. Gonzalez had a magnificent stone wall built around the entire property for safety and security's sake, which was 9 feet high and 1,500 feet wide. A feature that's surely beyond price when it comes to privacy. In a recent interview with the world-renowned architect Danielle Malloy, he stated that he believes in today's market, this estate would cost in excess of $25 million to replicate the main house alone, excluding land costs, the new 5,000 square foot wellness center, and fully renovated guest house. The home is listed for sale at $14,900,000 with listing agents Danielle Malloy and Jessica Lane from Malloy Properties.